Have you pressed play?
Yes.
Oh, good. It's the little red button down the bottom. You can't miss it. So, my name's Cogsworth, and I have a clock. As you can see, I'm drinking my beer because I'm very, very hot. But, being a clock is quite a nice sort of pastime, really. I started off as human, but I became a clock. And this is my pendulum, as you can see. I call it Pendy for short. Pendy the pendulum. And I can swing it backwards and forwards like that. Isn't it delightful? Watch it swing, watch it swing, watch it swing. That's good. Right, now, and I also have another little toy here. It's called Kevin the Key. So, there's Kevin the Key. And Kevin the Key gets very wound up. Sometimes. It's a joke. Okay, what else can I tell you about me? Well, I've got hands on my face, which is good because you may look at the time and say it's about 10 past 10, but actually it's not. It's actually 10 to 2 because you look at it from this direction. Oh my God. Yes. And what else do I have? Oh yes, I have a dead dog on my head. It's a poodle.
Wait, where's Jordan?
Which is very nice. His name's Pierre the Poodle.
Wait, where's Jordan?
What else have I got? Oh, I've got Billy the Bear here, which is very nice. He's not going to last for long though. He's going, look.
Wrap it up, Cogsworth, you're running out of time.
I'm terribly sorry. Do you think we've done enough yet, my dear? Because I'm drying a bit. Okay, and I do actually have Ivor the Ice Pack as well. He's a good friend of mine, and his brother Ian the Ice Pack, which is very good. Yes. Lovely. Thank you very much anyway. It's been a pleasure meeting you, and goodbye.